everybody, Tracey here from Uniquely Creative with your new mini kit. It is our new mini kit. It's called Arty and Crafty. This is the Arty stamp that's included in the kit, and we have a second stamp over here which is called Crafty. You can add on, and let me show you these in more detail. So this is the Arty stamp that comes in the kit. You've got the cute little mice, you've got a cute little easel there, a little blank card. Look at these little adorable packaging, Uniquely Creative packaging, it's so cute. All the markers in the tin, and you can actually use on this blank card, or on the canvas even, all the cute little sayings from the teacup stamp set actually fit on there. So cute. In the kit you also get this laser cut, which has got lots of fun little crafty things on it. You've got the mini magazine, which is full of loads of ideas. Look at that. Isn't this the most adorable card you've ever seen? A little cork board with all the packaging on it. Oh my goodness, so cute. Okay, magazine. These are all the papers that come in the kit. Lots of different arty and crafty type backgrounds. Little buttons, scissors, more buttons, very cute. And these are all the sayings on the cut apart sheet, and of course you can add more of these on. This works with essential dies number 5 and number 6. Let me show you the add-on stamp a little bit closer. This one's called Crafty. You've got the little mouse in the washi tape. There's an embroidery hoop up there with some needles and pins. And you've got some thread and these cute little guys. Of course you've got the fussy cutting dies for both of those stamps you can add on, and we have another add-on die, which is this one, which is an embroidery hoop and the word enjoy there. Let me show you. This is a shaker card that one of our team has made with that, with those cute little buttons and scissors in the shaker card there. Here's another one for you. How cute. Happiness is handmade. Hope your day is amazing. I just love this our lacy border die there on the background. Arty Party. I think this is my favorite stamp set ever that we've ever made. Have a fabulous day. Look at that packaging. It is just adorable. Let me show you some of Ashley's cards she brought me in. Let's get crafty together. All your crafty friends are going to love cards like this. Enjoy, stitch with love. Have a fabulous day. For my crafty friends. Eat, craft, sleep. Of course, that's how we all do it, isn't it? And okay, that's it. So this is our brand new collection. It's called Arty and Crafty. It is now available. And you can purchase this on our website, or you can jump over to your nearest stockist. We have a full list of our stockists on our website, and pick this up in person from your local craft store. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Bye.